Hey guys, James Danley, KW Domain, Luxury Homes International. We're here today in the heart of Westchester Village, which is one of the most desirable communities within the Birmingham School District. We're walkable to both Seaholm and Country Day, and we have one of the most beautiful properties in the community for you to take a look at. If you're looking for a move-in ready, newer construction home that's meticulously maintained, 2850 Berkshire Drive is an absolute must-see. This home was truly built and designed for entertaining. So call us today and schedule your private showing now.